Okay, so we are going to actually look at geography classes. And if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe because on this channel we study history, geography, and economics. And also, I will encourage us to share these classes with other students so that they might benefit from this knowledge. So, we are in geography on lesson two. So, what we'll be looking at lesson two is our planet. We'll be looking at on lesson two, we'll look at the size of the earth, we will look at the shape of the earth, I will look at proofs or evidence for spherical nature as opposed to flat form. Now, let's start with the size of the earth. Both of these figures are nearly aligned with the currently accepted measures for the Earth's circumference and radius, which are 4007 kilometers 4007 kilometers and 6,378 kilometers. So mark this 40,007 kilometers and 637 kilometers. So mark this very well because we're talking about the size of the earth respectively. These values have been confirmed through measurements taken by orbiting spacecraft. Since the diameter of a cycle is double the radius, the Earth's diameter is calculated to be 12,756 kilometers. Mark this. So the Earth diameter, right, is calculated to be. So this is the final calculation of the size of the Earth, which is 12,756 kilometers. So this is about the size of the Earth, right? So now let's look at the shape of the earth. Now I've seen the size. Now what is a shape? The discipline that examines the earth's shape and size is known as geodesy. So they may ask you this in the exam, that what is a discipline that examines the shapes and size of the earth? So this is the name, geodesy. Okay. Now geodesy primarily investigates three key characteristics of the earth: its geometric size, shape, its orientation in space, and its gravitational field. So they may ask you in an exam they may ask you that what actually determines the shape and size of the earth. The answer is geodesy. So geodesy determines the shape and size of the earth. Now they may also ask you that what are the functions of the geodesy, or what are the characteristics. So that you need to mark these three. The first one is geometric shape. So it helps to investigate three key characteristics of the earth. So it helps to investigate the geometric shape of the earth. It helps to calculate the orientation in space and its gravitational field. So that is the geometry. Please mark this, very important for your exams. It also studies how these characteristics evolve. This field addresses questions such as: why is the earth spherical? Is it round or elliptical? Is the earth flat or spherical? Geodesy has various applications, including enhancing transportation safety through global positioning systems, GBS mapping, and determining land boundaries. Geodesies provide accurate coordinates for specific locations of Earth using GPS technology. So, because of geodesy, we are able to have GPS to know where people are located. You know that in your phone also they can actually determine your location. So, all this is because of geodesy. So, it helps to find the location of other cars, phones, individuals. We have criminals that have been caught due to this geodesy mapping and determining land boundaries between different countries. Now, ensuring these points are precise and reliable for universal use. So they actually ensures boundaries, land boundaries, mapping, global systems, how to be able to coordinate the systems. That is why you know that, okay, the boundary of Nigeria ends here, the boundary of Cameroon ends here. And that is why when you even make a call, for example, when you start to call a Nigerian number, it shows that it's an international number just because it has been mapped out that this territory is Nigerian territory. So when you call a Nigerian line, it becomes more higher, and Nigerian lines cannot actually go through when you are actually you are in Cameroon. So except you are calling internationally, because of this mapping that we are able to have all these distinctions. And now most of us are asking ourselves, but how come that if I enter Nigeria, I can call a Nigerian number without any problem. When I leave the boundary, I can no longer call the number if I want to call to, except I use a Cameroonian number or I use a Kenyan number. Is because of this mapping. So as you can see here, now it says the Earth ranks as the fifth largest planet in our solar system, with approximately 71% of its surface covered by water and about 29% by land. So all what we see around us are 71. This is also important when they come for your exams, your test. They may ask you that what is the number of percentage that the earth is covered or covered with of water. What is the percentage of water and what is the percentage of land? So you can actually see from here, land water is actually 71%. I mean, water covers the large majority of the earth. Then while the land is just 29%, how big and vast the land is just 29%. So only Jupiter, which could contain over 1,300 Earth, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are larger than Earth. The equator of our planet has a radius of 3,963 miles and a diameter of 7,926 miles. So, very important questions that will come for your exams about this 71% and 29%. Mark this, please. Water is 71%, land is 29%. Now, what the third question they ask us here is, what is the proofs or evidence for spherical nature as opposed to flat form? You see, man, there's a lot of debate out there. Some people think that the earth is flat, some say that the earth is spherical, some say the earth is round. Now, what is the evidence? What are the proofs that really shows that the earth is spherical in nature as opposed to the flat form? People still believe that earth is flat. Some still believe that. So this is the proofs and evidence. Among the provided options, the strongest evidence supporting the earth's spherical shape is the correlation between the altitude of Polaris and the observer's latitude. So this is the evidence. At the equator, the latitude is 0 degree, and correspondingly, the altitude of Polaris at this location is also 0 degree. Very important questions for your exams. So you need to just know this, right? You can come back to this teaching and to this class and actually learn all of this. You always go to watch videos because they stick on your mind, they stick on your head than as compared to when you read from the book. So you can come tomorrow and revise anytime you feel as to. You can come to the video, watch it and revise it. So thank you guys. This is all about our geography class for today. We're on lesson 2 on geography, so you can share this with other students on WhatsApp, on Facebook, so that they might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I come with teachings like this all the time for you. Also, I also come with jobs for students, online work, businesses. So thank you guys. Thank you.